We do a lot of ice cream and baking recipes on this channel. For that reason, we need evaporated milk. So today I decided to make one at home. Hello, my name is Lina and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and press on the bell icon for more videos. To my returning subscribers, you are awesome. So I will leave you here to enjoy the rest of the video, but please do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you and enjoy the rest of the video.